Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering if there's a better way? Or maybe you've heard whispers of a company revolutionizing expense management, a name that pops up in conversations about streamlined finances. But that name, Expensify, where exactly does it call home? Is it nestled in the tech valleys of California, or perhaps hidden in some bustling financial hub? Let's be honest, in today's globalized world, a company's location can say a lot about its culture, its access to talent, and even its overall vibe. We're talking about a company that's essentially trying to make the headache of expense reports a thing of the past. A company that's built a platform that handles everything from receipt scanning to reimbursement. So, you'd expect them to be somewhere strategic, right? Before we dive into the geographical specifics, let's take a quick moment to appreciate what Expensify actually does. It's more than just an expense tracker. It's a full-fledged platform designed to automate and simplify the entire expense management process. Think about it. No more paper receipts, no more manual data entry, just a seamless, digital experience. This kind of innovation often stems from specific environments, places that breed creativity and technological advancement. Now, you might be thinking, okay, enough with the preamble, just tell me where they are. And you'd be right to be impatient. So, here's the answer. Expensify's headquarters are located in Portland, Oregon. Yes, Portland. Not Silicon Valley, not New York City, but Portland. A city known for its vibrant culture, its focus on sustainability, and its burgeoning tech scene. It's a choice that might surprise some, but it perfectly reflects Expensify's unique approach to business. Why Portland? Well, for starters, it's a city that attracts creative talent. It's a place where innovation thrives, and where companies are built on a foundation of community and collaboration. Expensify's presence in Portland speaks to its commitment to fostering a unique and dynamic work environment. But it's not just about the city's vibe. Portland also offers a strategic location for a tech company. It's a growing hub for software development and technology, offering access to a talented workforce and a supportive business environment. Beyond the headquarters, Expensify also has offices in other locations, including San Francisco, California, and Melbourne, Australia. These additional locations help Expensify to maintain a global presence and serve their client base that spans the world. So, when you think of Expensify, don't just picture a software company. Imagine a company rooted in the unique culture of Portland, Oregon, a city that's as innovative as the platform it created. A company that's chosen to build its foundation in a place that values creativity, sustainability, and community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.